For this assignment, I developed the print courses function. First, I created the dictionary object and filled it with values. The keys to the dictionary are different course prefixes, being ISIN, STQM, ISYS, and the associated values to the keys are their course numbers. After setting up the dictionary, I iterate through each key using the sorted function, so they're in alphabetical order, right here. I also used the sorted function on the course numbers, so they appeared in numerical order. Now I will run the function to show you how it works. As you can see, Python week 2, the client 2 for week 5, runs this function right here, and as you can see, it printed out every single course in the dictionary object in the week 5 function right here.